What's up, TikTok? You guys cool if I play some sports? I love it. More for the audio experience. As much as the momentum. Hey, listen up, sports and TikTok fans. If you like what you're seeing, just wait till what's coming next.
This is, of course, Tom Cruise, one of the most famous men in the world. Or is it? Hi everyone, we're One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We aim to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of the profits from our organisation go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. I remember coming across this clip a few years ago, but something didn't add up. Tom Cruise mentions TikTok, which has only been popular for the last 5 years or so, but he looked like he did in about 1996 in Jerry Maguire. I couldn't get my head around it. I sent the clip to my brother. It was the middle of a workday for both of us, but he had to phone me and ask, is that Tom Cruise or what? My answer, I'm not sure. Well, the answer was no. This wasn't Tom Cruise. This was an early example of what we now know as a deepfake. It was really interesting and pretty funny at the time, and it wouldn't have been possible without this man doing an excellent Tom Cruise impression with the hair to match, because in 2021, when this video came out, it was still only really the face that could convincingly be positioned onto real world footage. But now, it's 2025, and look where we're at.
I've been doing calculations, as well as looking back at old NASA footage and raw data from satellites hovering above Earth. And I just can't escape the conclusion that the Earth might actually be flat. That's not me. It was never me. Those aren't my words. That's what's called a deepfake.
Imagine seeing your favourite celebrity endorse a product they'd never touch. Or worse, imagine hearing a loved one's voice asking for money when it isn't them at all. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, it's not. It's here, and it's called a deepfake. We live in a world where what you see and what you hear can no longer always be trusted. That's because AI generated fake videos and audio that can impersonate anyone from politicians to your own family members. These deepfakes are being used to spread misinformation, manipulate public opinion, and even commit sophisticated fraud. The stakes couldn't be much higher. Our trust in media, our personal security, and even the fabric of truth itself are under attack. But the solution starts with you. Our solution is simple but powerful. Verify the authenticity of the videos and audio before trusting them. Become a deepfake detective. Use detection tools, and most importantly, be cautious and skeptical about what you share online. In this video, we'll equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate this new synthetic world safely. So, what exactly is a deepfake? In a nutshell, it's artificial intelligence, specifically a type of machine learning called deep learning, creating synthetic media. Two AI systems called Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, work together. One AI tries to create realistic fake content, like a person's face or voice, while the other AI tries to spot the fake. They learn from each other, with one being the generator and the other being the discriminator, and they get constantly better, until the fakes become incredibly convincing. While deepfake technology is advancing rapidly, there's still some telltale signs or red flags that can help you identify them. Think of yourself as a super sleuth. Inconsistent lighting and shadows. Pay close attention to how light interacts with the subject's face in the surrounding environment. Does lighting on their face match the background? Are shadows falling in logical places, or do they seem off? Strange blinking, or lack of blinking. Early deepfakes often struggled with natural eye movements. Look for infrequent blinking, or conversely, blinking that seems too fast or robotic. Human blinking patterns are quite complex. Distorted background or edges. Sometimes the AI has trouble rendering the background perfectly around the deepfake subject. Look for blurry, warped or pixelated areas, especially at the edges of a person's hair, clothing or glasses. Unnatural facial expressions and lip sync. Does the person's mouth movement perfectly match their words? Do their expressions seem genuine, or do they feel a bit stiff, cartoonish or out of sync with the emotion being conveyed? Off-sync audio and visuals. This is crucial for audio deepfakes and fake videos. Is the audio perfectly synchronised with the mouth movements? Even a slight delay or echo can be a red flag.
You can manipulate media. With lip synthesis, achieving seamless lip synchronization is as simple as...
Grainy or low quality patches. Look for inconsistent video quality. Are some parts of the image sharper than others? Does the face look a bit more pixelated or painted compared to the body or background? If you want personal help with this kind of thing, head over to the OneConnect website. Over there you can discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials. Do you need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personal support. Check out the website in the description below. And now on to some practical recommendations and tools. Let's look at some proactive steps you can take. Before sharing or believing any sensational video or audio, pause and question its authenticity. Does it seem too good or too bad, too shocking to be true? Check the source. Is it a reputable news organisation or an unknown account? Quite often when you're scrolling on X or Twitter, the next couple of replies will often debunk the deepfake. Cross-reference information. If you see something suspicious, try to find the same story or event reported by multiple creditable news sources. If only one obscure source is reporting it, be very wary. Use deepfake detection tools. Technology is fighting back. Several online tools and services are emerging to help identify deepfakes. While none are 100% foolproof, they can be a very powerful first line of defence. There are services like Sensity's AI Deepfake Detection or Reality Defender, but I'll be honest, these aren't for the common consumer like you or me. These are more business, enterprise level solutions and are priced accordingly. So I had to dig a little deeper for some free detection tools. There's Deepware Scanner, a user-friendly open source tool that allows users to upload videos or place a video link to scan for signs of deepfake manipulation. TrueMedia.org, a non-profit initiative providing free AI-enabled detection tools, primarily aimed at combating political disinformation that anyone can use via their website. AI or Not, a simple drag and drop interface to help identify whether an image or video was generated by AI. Hugging Face, a community-driven platform with various free accessible deepfake detection models and tools. And there's also Google reverse image searching. While not dedicated deepfake technology, a reverse image search can help trace the origin of an image and verify its history or find original, untampered versions. And this is the big one. Just be cautious about sharing personal media online. The more photos and videos of yourself you share publicly online, especially clear front-facing pictures, the more material bad apples will have to train deepfakes on your likeness. Think twice about posting that perfect selfie or holiday video if it could be used against you. Limit public exposure where possible. And to help fight against all of this, if you do encounter a deepfake, report it to the platform it's hosting on, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. Most platforms have reporting mechanisms for misinformation and deceptive content. Make use of this. In a world increasingly blurred by synthetic media, your critical thinking is your strongest weapon. Remember to verify before you trust. Look for red flags like inconsistent lighting, strange blinking, or distorted backgrounds. Utilise deepfake detection tools, and be cautious with your own personal media online. Deepfake technology is evolving, but so is our ability to understand and combat it. By staying informed, being vigilant and using the tools available, we can all contribute to a more authentic and trustworthy digital world. Keep questioning what you see and hear. And once you've done questioning, why not get in touch with our personalised support? Check our website in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. See you next time and stay safe online.